In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate total revenue in Excel. Let's open a document. This is a multi-column table that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to calculate the total revenue of this sales data. To do this, select a cell. Type equals, select the price cell, and add a multiply sign. Now select the quantity cell and press Enter on your keyboard. Here, the revenue of the first brand has been calculated. Now select the answer and bring your cursor to the bottom right corner of the cell. When the plus sign becomes smaller and bolder, double-click on it. It will apply your formula to the entire column. Now select another cell and type equals sum. Open parenthesis and select the cells that you want to add together. Close parenthesis and press Enter. Here, the total revenue of the sales data has been calculated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.